Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. It's a Sunday afternoon, a little overcast, but the sun's coming out now. So we're going to make today, it should be a pretty quick recipe. It goes together pretty easy, but it's going to be a shrimp with the red sauce, and it's going to be over Zoodles. I know you guys have missed my Zoodles. I have. So we're going to make those up. I've already got some of it started, so let's get into it. Okay, as you can see here, I got my pan on. I got it on about a medium high, melting up a little bit of butter. There's my Zoodles that I've been having soaking in, not soaking, but they're sitting in a bowl with some salt on them, trying to drain some of the excess liquid off. There's some garlic. I'm going to be sauteing some onions that I chopped up yesterday. We had a bunch of onions, so we chopped a whole bunch up. Just took that out of the freezer. Got some mantis spaghetti sauce, and I got some fire roasted tomatoes diced up. And the star of the show, shrimps. I've had these sitting in the salt and sugar brine for about maybe an hour. Just rinsed them all off. They're all good to go. I'm going to saute those too. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil here, about a teaspoon to about a teaspoon of butter. Don't want to go too crazy. And to that, we're going to, let me see here. I'll give it another minute. Okay, so my little test tube onion things here are jumping around. I'll throw some more of these in there. Still kind of a little froze, but that's all right. Half a bag, that's good. But anyway, in case you guys are wondering, just, whenever you have a lot of onions, you get they're on sale or whatever, if you had them in a cabinet for a couple days and they start growing roots or stems or whatever, just cut that shit up and put it in the freezer. They last a good long time, and you just take them out when you need them, and then boom, it's all done, huh? So we're going to saute these for a few minutes here. And somebody asked me about how do I zoodle up my zucchini. Well, I got an attachment that goes on my KitchenAid, and I think one day I'm just going to show you guys how I do that, and I'll make a couple my salt and pepper mix and a couple other things and put it all together, huh? Okay, so we're simmering right along here with my onions. So what we're going to do now is put us a little bit of garlic in there. I love garlic. I don't care. Garlic is good. Garlic is good. That's minced garlic in a jar, so I showed you that already. It's about a tablespoon. It's going to add a nice flavor to my shrimps. Yeah, I knew a girl that used to say scrimps all the time. I think it was Berta. I don't know. Somebody in Oklahoma. Okay, so we'll stir this up a bit. We're going to cook this until that garlic gets a little bit odoriferous on the nose. And then we'll call that a day, I think, on that. Oh yeah, now you can start smelling that, huh? Good to go. All right, now I'm going to put a little bit of Old Bay. I didn't show you guys this. I had it off to the side, but we're going to sprinkle in a little bit. And this is my own recipe. I saved the container. I like that stuff. Put it on a lot of different things. All right, so anyway. That smells good. All right. Okay, so now we're going to add in the shrimps. You notice I put them all in there at one time. Turn this up now to high or almost high. And what I want to do is get these like a little bit golden brown. It won't take long to cook, but I want to have them, get a little crunch to them maybe, nothing spectacular. give me a few, we'll be back. Okay, as you can see, my shrimp here is, my shrimps are done, basically we're saying. So I'm gonna dump these into this here bowl. I move these off to the side, they're not gonna get really cold. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay. So, everybody can see that okay. All right. Hold on, it's candid. Okay, so we're gonna take my fire roasted tomatoes. They're all going in. I was gonna use some of my, because I really like that too, the sun-dried tomatoes, but I don't think my wife Penny's a big fan of those. So I'm gonna heat this up a bit here. I like the texture of it, that's why I put this together like this. And then we're gonna put some of that tomato sauce and spaghetti sauce in here until we get the right mixture. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, as you can see, we're progressing along nicely. With this stuff right here, a little dark spot, that's a bit of honey. Not like the candy. I just put a little squirt of that in there just to give us a break with all of the acidity in the onion, tomato, garlic, shrimp, plus we're gonna put the buttery stuff in here. Just give it a little taste, that's all. All right. Coming along nicely. I got my water on for my zucchini. That'll be going in a minute. I'll show you that. Yeah, I've been lightly simmering this here for, I don't know, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Well, I'm just trying to, get a little excess liquid out of here by steaming it off. That way when I dump my shrimp with my butter sauce, it won't be too liquidy. But the butter should help tighten up everything anyway, so we'll see. All right. Okay, so now we're going to add the shrimp back in with the butter sauce. See? Whoa, look at that. All that goodness. You guys are going to love this. Anything with shrimp is going to be good. You know that, right? All right. We'll just let this go for a couple. Stir that liquid in there, see? That's all going to be good. It's all good. Tastes like shrimp. Bubba gum shrimp. All right. Let that cook for a bit. Hopefully it'll thicken up a little more. A little trick you can do with this, but I don't want to, I got enough big chunks of tomato. We could put a little tomato paste in here. And that would thicken it up some after a bit. I think this is looking good. This is looking darn good. Smelling damn good. Okay, I told you I'd give you guys a view of my zucchini here. This is 4 zucchinis that I zoodled up. And let those cook for about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, and we'll take them off. Okay, as we can see, the sauce is just, it's done. I don't want to overcook it, but the longer you cook this, it'll render down some, but I don't want it too thick right now. But all right, got the zoodles in the colander, and we'll make a plate and get up to the table. Okay, my friends, there you have it. We plated up a little bowl for the taste test. Elmo's excited, and so am I. We'll see you at the table. Okay, here we are. Look at that. Nice little dish. Elmo's excited. Fire roasted tomato. All right, let's give this a little taste. I put some grated cheese on top. This is a nice healthy dish. Yep. I think the noodles are nice. Penny thinks they're overdone, but they still got a little snap to them. And I took them off the burner exactly 5 minutes, so I don't know, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna get us another little taste here. Man, that shrimp is delicious. Holy moly. You guys need to try this. This is healthy, so simple to make. Really just some shrimp, some butter, onions, garlic, tomato sauce. Okay, so let's get down to business here. Damn, that's good. Another shrimp dish under my belt. Hey, all right. There you go. When you're out and about, cover up. Protect yourself as well as others. Bing. Wash your hands when you're out. Get some of that spray stuff, sanitizer, either a spray or a gel. When you get back in the car, wipe yourself down before you start driving. When you get home, make sure you wash your hands real good. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another dish just like this. And you can give me a like. It would be nice. You can share this with your friends, enemies, or others. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And when you do, the little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, and that will tell us, you when I get my next video up. The description for this here plate will be down in the description box below with the complete recipe, the ingredients, everything you need to know. So until next time, my friends, this is Mr. Dan saying stay hungry, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another great dish just like this. Move, mutt. This is Mr. Dan. We are out.